After I was forced into retirement at the age of 66, I realized something that nobody told me about. Costs just keep rising. Groceries, petrol, gas, utilities, you name it. And they certainly don't care if you retired. My fixed income wasn't stretching as far as I thought it would. Every single month, I watched my savings shrink. I felt like I was losing control over my life. That's when I found the Legacy Builders program. It gave me a simple system to create a new stream of income without having to be that tech expert. I didn't have to build a website, invent a product, or do any recruiting. It was all set up for me, ready to go. And now I have that extra income that I needed to live comfortably, without having to stress over every bill. If you're worried about rising costs and what they will do to your retirement funds, it's best to act now. Put yes in the comments and I'll send you my 6-figure blueprint that will show you how to go from zero to hero in a matter of weeks.